Hi friends, hope you are doing well. This is part 3 of our on-page SEO course module. In this tutorial, we will talk about what is internal linking. Okay, internal linking is internal linking is any link from one page on your website to another page on your website. Let me give you an live example from my website to understand it easily. Look, this is a content of my website. I've written this content. Look, it is saying, it's telling us that 11 best ways you can make money online right now. Look, if I scroll down here, you can see a, a sentence or some text are linking on another page of my website. How to target Facebook secret ad interest. Actually, it is relevant to my content, that's why I linked in. If I click on it, you can see it it, it has taken me to another content of my website because it is relevant to my content, and readers will love it if they can get relevant content in a content. That's why actually it is also an on page SEO factor. That's why I have put this link on my website. Look, so now we'll talk about what is inbound and outbound link. Look, what is inbound or outbound link? What is inbound link? An inbound link is a link coming from another site to your own website. Inbound is generally based by the person receiving the link. Actually, we are receiving the link. People can tell you it is a backlink. Yes, it is a backlink from another website to your own website. The link you are getting from another website to your website, that is inbound link. Like, link is coming in your website. If people were reading a website which is not your, but after clicking on the any content and any linking content, then you will then the person will come to your website, and the link through the link you are receiving, this is inbound link. This is not complicated, this is so easy. And now we'll talk about outbound link. What is outbound link? Outbound links are links that points from your website to another website. Look, if I'm giving you a live example. Look, here you can see a outbound link sell your design online, and this Upwork is a relevant content of my content. That's why if I click on, actually I put a link on backend of this word. That's why if I click on it, it will take me to Upwork. Look, this is not my website. Here you can see upwork.com. That's why you can tell it outbound link. I am going back on my website. Look, these all are outbound link, and it is colored with blue. That's why you can easily understand it. Look, again I am telling you, links that point from your website to another website, that called outbound link. The link you are giving another person from your website to another website, that is outbound link. Hope you have understood the whole process about what is internal linking, what is inbound linking, and what is outbound linking. Like this video, I am uploading all the on page factors topic on my YouTube channel. Please stay connected with me and support me. Please like, comment, and share to motivate me. Thanks for this video. Thanks for watching this video.